First thing to do is remove the fuel rail. Release the leak-off pipe. This is the stop run lever. Okay. With two 8mm spanners, you need to unlock the top one, which is the stop screw, and screw it out one turn. And lock it back in position. Next thing to do is to remove the injector pipe. When releasing the injector pipe from the fuel injection pump, you must use two spanners because you don't want the pump to move. Also remove the nut on the top, which actually holds the injector pipe and stops any vibration. Now, to remove the injection pump, you must push the stop run lever to the stop position. So it's right across, touching this screw. Release the clamp. Take the nuts. This is a special nut and it's got a beveled edge. Okay, which locates the clamp. Remove the clamp from the fuel injection pump, and you should be able to lift the pump out of the engine. Once it's been released from the engine, you can let go of the stop run lever and remove the pump. Make sure there's no shims stuck on the old injection pump, and as a safety precaution, put them back on the engine. Ensure the fuel pump tappet is in its bottom position. Okay, you can feel down with your finger. Turn the engine if necessary to make sure it's in the bottom position. Get the new fuel pump, put that in the stop position, and this peg lines up with a slot in the rack, and it must be in the stop position. Okay, so pump located in the stop position, rack in the stop position, and the pump should just push in gently. Put the clamp back on, the beveled nut facing down, the bevel, that locates the clamp. Tighten the fuel pump down. All the way, and just back it off just 1/8 of a turn. Okay, release this stop run lever with a 19mm spanner. Hold the engine stop across with a slight pressure. Okay, and by turning the pump towards the flywheel, it will actually create a gap here. When you have a gap there, you need to turn the pump towards the radiator or the gear end very, very slowly so the lever just touches the screw. And when it just touches the screw, that's the correct position. Please ensure you don't move it too far. And then tighten the pump down. sure the fuel pump is free to move. There's no sticking, and that is the fitting of the fuel pump. After all the fuel pumps have been either replaced or the work finished on the engine, you need to adjust this screw back 1 turn. So using 2 8mm spanners, release the lock nut and turn it 6 flats. 1, This helps to protect the fuel pumps when it's being operated into the stop position. And that's the fuel pumps set